Imagine a classroom where learning is adaptive and responsive. This is the teaching laboratory approach to lesson planning. It's not just about following a script. It's about continuous inquiry and professional growth. Here, lesson plans evolve based on what students need. Let's explore how to create lesson plans that truly enhance student learning. Data plays a crucial role in this process. It's the evidence base that informs every decision. Think of data as the fuel for teaching effectiveness. Instead of relying on gut feelings, teachers analyze real data. This includes assessing student knowledge and documenting engagement patterns. By anchoring data to instructional goals, teachers can make informed choices. Now, let's break down the essential components of a data-informed lesson plan. First, clear learning objectives are vital. These objectives should be aligned with standards and easily understood by students. Next, success criteria help students recognize what mastery looks like. Then comes the evidence and assessment plan. Before starting a lesson, a diagnostic assessment can reveal students' prior knowledge. Throughout the lesson, use formative checks to gauge understanding. These checks provide immediate feedback to guide instruction. Differentiation is the next key component. Tailor your instruction based on student readiness. This may include providing additional support or challenges for students. Incorporating scaffolding strategies can further assist learners in meeting objectives. The instructional sequence follows next. A coherent lesson plan should progress logically, using proven models. Allocate realistic timings and prepare for unexpected learning needs. Resources are essential too. Choose materials that cater to different learning styles effectively. Lastly, include a reflection component to assess what worked and what didn't. This allows continuous adjustment and future enhancements. Let's walk through a practical process for developing lessons from data. Start by collecting relevant data. Organize it by student and skill to identify learning gaps. Use a triage approach to prioritize needs, focusing on the most significant gaps. Next, formulate clear learning targets based on standards and diagnostic findings. Design instructional activities around these insights. Create differentiated pathways to ensure all students can engage meaningfully. During instruction, implement ongoing assessments. Record student responses and adjust your strategies in real time. After the lesson, reflect on the outcomes and document next steps for further learning. For instance, consider a middle school unit on proportional relationships. A pre-assessment indicates many students struggle with rates. This data drives the teacher to create targeted learning objectives. The lesson begins with concrete examples and guided practice, addressing the identified struggles. If errors persist, the teacher can quickly adapt. A short reteach focused on visual aids can help struggling students, while those who excel can take on enriching projects. This responsive cycle emphasizes assessment and adaptation. Finally, supporting teacher learning is crucial. Collaborative professional learning communities enhance data-informed practices. Regular discussions about shared data help standardize responses and improve teaching. The teaching laboratory reframes lesson planning. By focusing on data, clear objectives, and differentiated instruction, teachers can create dynamic learning environments. Pair this with collaborative learning structures, and you cultivate a culture of ongoing improvement. Ready to transform your lesson planning approach? Start integrating data-informed strategies today and watch your classroom thrive.